PIXMA MegaTank. You're looking this here the tutorial, and you type here the driver download. Please wait and looking the official website. Okay, this here the official website. Click here. Please wait. Official website loading. Okay, this here your product manual or your driver and download. This here the operating system for the three operating system for the Windows, Mac, and Linux operating system. And step one, I am show you for the Windows. Click the Windows and you click your select your operating system version. Click here and this here the March operating system version. This here the version Windows 11, Windows 9, Windows 8, Windows 941, Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows Server, Windows Vista, and Windows Server again. This here the new driver Windows Server. This video I am to download for the Windows 11. After I am show you for the Mac OS, and this here for the Mac OS. Click here. This here if you need select version, you click here operating system. This here the March operating system. This operating system for the Windows 12 and Windows 11. Driver Mac Monterey and driver Mac I forget it. And this here the for the Linux system version for the Linux is like a version. You click here, and this here for one version Linux, and I'm a solution for you. You download a package. This here the package compatible for the Linux. This video I need to download for Windows driver and Canon PIXMA Windows 11, and you click here. This here the Windows 11. Click Windows 11 and please wait website loading. This here the package Windows 11 driver, serial driver setup package for Windows 11. This here you're looking here this title for the Windows 11 and new driver update. This one, okay, new driver update. If you need download, click here. This one. Okay, this here the outline, and this here the operating requirement, and for the Windows 11, and this here the setup instruction for the your driver download the file for the location where to file is safe. Check the computer setting. Double click the download file. It will be direct compress and the setup screen will be displayed follow the instruction to install driver or software. Your problem the NACI setting, and this is the information. If you need download, click I have read, click here and button download. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer for laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, you click run as the driver. Driver detect automatic for the cable. If you need install for the Wi-Fi, your you connect the printer to Wi-Fi and you're looking the serial. This here the serial for the printer and click run as the driver your laptop and driver detect the USB IP driver IP printer. Okay. If you need a question, comment below. If you need link download below the description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video.